Everyone, it's Char's Fashion Nation showing you what to do with leftover burrito dinners made at home. And since the guys can eat regular tortillas, and there's cheese and some sriracha, I put some extra virgin olive oil down in the pan. I already have one in there, obviously. So I just put this down in there a couple of minutes ago. Don't forget to skewer that like that with toothpicks. Don't do that. It's not going to hold together. And why is it a fried burrito? Because once that's fried like that, that's going to crisp together. Okay? So I did put some sriracha in between this part and that part of the tortilla. It didn't stay, but hey, whatever. So I just flipped it, as you can see. So this doesn't need long on both sides. In fact, at this point, I can literally turn it down. I had it in between, just pointing straight down to front. So yes, at this point, you can turn your oil down and not have to worry about it. So once this is done, I'll put it on the plate and take it to my son, which said he wanted a fried burrito. Gets a fried burrito. I didn't put an egg with it. You can put an egg with it if you want. In fact, I would suggest when you're going to do a fried burrito is put the soft yolk egg, the sunny side up, on top of this. So I'm going to check it. Now, with my left hand, I am holding that. That should be all crispy on the other side now, or moderately crispy on the other side. So I'm going to finish making this. Okay, and if you can get it to stand like that, you're good. I'm going to crisp each end. Again, holding the tongs with my left hand, that's a good crisp. So I just took the toothpicks out. Like I said, this will adhere together, so yeah, that ain't going nowhere. And my hands are clean, by the way. So, yeah, I know, but it's not burnt. This is extra done. And sriracha. So, can take this out there. Okay. Now that my son is in possession of his burrito, that has like the filling, it has some cheese, sriracha, some good stuff. How is it?
Good. It's a mighty fine looking burrito you got there.
We'll get one when we get back. Anyway. So, Rob's never had a fried burrito. And
Doesn't look like we're gonna have one this morning either.
so when we get back from running an errand, I will make Rob a fried burrito. How's that sound, Rob?
Sure.
Okay, now I'm making one for Rob. Mine is smaller. Mine has a little tear in it, but whatever. Fried burrito. Okay, well, mine is now in. This is Rob's. Look how crispy she is. Again, I washed my hands. So now I'm just waiting for this. We have so much left over, except for the wraps. I'm thinking about using the rest of this for nachos tonight. I think that would be really good on nachos. But yeah, clean spoon. Well, except for that part, but you get what I mean. That was in there. So I wanted you to hear that little crisp. You know, that little yes. Now, I didn't put toothpicks in this, but on the point where it actually sticks together, just fries it together. That's why I'm not going to be so worried about mine. So anyway, as soon as I'm done with mine, we'll go out in the living room and see what Rob thinks. Okay, I take it back. We'll be out there in a few minutes, but I had to show you. You know, I always say that I had to show you how that stayed put. So now that we're out here, I just need his opinion on what he thinks since he's never had a fried burrito before. Sorry about moving you around so much. But yeah, he's never had this before. And don't worry, it's not pointed at the door, so Sasquatch can't be seen.
I like it.
Okay, well, he like, no, sir, Titten. The cat, he gets a little ballsy. So here's mine, obviously smaller because the tortillas are small. This is still hot. Like I said, I might take the rest of the fixings and just make nachos for dinner. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Sorry for the lip smack, but that is better than a Taco Bell Crunch Wrap or a Crunch Wrap Supreme, which I have had in the past, but oh my gosh, yeah. And this is really good with it. It is. So anyway, I do hope that you enjoyed this sort of cooking video. I did show you some of the cooking. And if you wonder what I'm wearing, the Ordinary Serum Foundation, some Jeffree Star, and Curse Cosmetics together with the Slay All Day setting spray from Gerard Cosmetics. For Curse, just put in code CHARS, CHARS, all in caps. And then for Gerard Cosmetics, it's CHARS20, CHARS all in caps with the number 20, in numerals. But anyway, yeah. If you get the chance to make something like this, like yum yum yum, one of these days I will show you how I do the wrap up part. I thought just because it's Saturday, I would show you this. So, did I do my outro? No. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. I gotta finish this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. If you're wondering where my pillow went, the dog decided to chew it. Oh well. No big deal. It was old anyway. Bye. That's right.